One of the best ways to share your credit card benefits with friends and family and without them having to pay their own annual fee is to add them as an authorized user to your account. However, that does not necessarily mean that they get all of the benefits that you do. There are some differences, especially if you add Gold Card authorized users to a Platinum Card account. Then there are even more complexities and more things to be aware of. So let's talk about adding authorized user cards to your Amex Platinum Card, what the differences are, and whether you may want to consider adding a Platinum Card versus a Gold Card to a Platinum account. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. Now, as we begin our discussion here about the Amex Platinum Card authorized user benefits, let's first start by laying the foundation with the two different paths that you can take. It all starts with the Amex Platinum Card itself as the primary card holder. So whether that's you or somebody else, somebody's got to start with the card and pay their annual fee of $695. Then once you want to add users to that account, you have two different paths to take. The first is that you can add authorized user Gold Cards to your Amex Platinum Card account. We'll call those AU Gold Cards for short going forward. There's no annual fee when you add these additional cards. You can do so for up to 99 additional Gold Card authorized user accounts. That is subject to approval though. The other path you can take is to add authorized user Platinum Cards to a Platinum Card account. We'll call these AU Platinum Cards for short going forward. For the annual fees on this approach, the first 3 cards that you add cost $175 total. That means if you add just one card, it's $175. If you add 2, it's still $175. And if you add 3 total, it's still, again, $175. So for up to the first 3, the more you add, the less it is per card. Then if you add a 4th authorized user Platinum Card or more, those will cost $175 each. And having laid that foundation, now let's talk about all the benefits that authorized users can receive. The first benefit is earning membership rewards points. The cards that you add as authorized users to your Platinum Card will all have the exact same reward structure. That is 5 points per dollar on airfare when booked directly with the airlines or via AmexTravel.com, and that's on up to $500,000 of airfare spend per year. They'll also earn 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels via AmexTravel.com and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Do note, however, that all of the points earned on the primary account and all of the secondary authorized user accounts will all be added to the primary account. So those authorized users will not have their own individual balances that they can spend freely. Not as exciting for them, but definitely better for you if you're the primary card holder, because you'll be able to earn more points off of their purchases, and that's basically your reward for sharing your account and also being the one who's truly responsible at the end of the day for paying the overall bill. Benefit number 2 is global dining access by Resy. This provides exclusive restaurant reservations, early access to special experiences, priority notify, and the VIP diner badge, so that way when you book, people know that you're the VIP. This benefit is available to both AU Gold and AU Platinum cards. And on the right-hand side screenshot is from my mobile app, where if you go to the membership tab there at the bottom menu, you'll see a reserve top restaurants feature. If you tap on that, you'll then be able to search around for different restaurants. You can even see the priority notify for both lunch and dinner at the River Oyster Bar right there as an example. So that way when a table is free, you'll be one of the first ones to know, and that way you can book it before other people. The third benefit is the Global Lounge Collection. And this, at least in my opinion, is the #1 airport lounge access program of any credit card available to apply for on the market today. You can get access to over 1,200 lounges across 130 different countries, and that does include Amex Centurion lounges, Lufthansa lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, Priority Pass lounges, Escape lounges, Plaza Premium lounges, and Aerospace lounges. And this is only available to AU Platinum cards. So if you're looking for a nicer place to wait before your flight rather than the airport terminal itself, also get some free Wi-Fi, snacks, drinks, nicer bathrooms, and more, definitely check out those airport lounges. After all, you and your authorized users will have access to a ton of them. Benefit number 4 is Hotel Elite status, and that is Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite and Hilton Honors Gold Elite. Your authorized users will get access to both of these once they enroll, and it's only available to those users that you add as an AU Platinum Card account. Even though they're both called Gold status, they are totally separate programs. Of course, major competitors, Marriott and Hilton, but basically think about things like earning points a lot faster to earn free nights faster. Hilton has a nice breakfast/dining benefit. They're both good for room upgrades. Marriott also has 2 p.m. late checkout and things like that. So basically your stay becomes a little bit nicer with these statuses. Continuing on with our theme of hotels, we have benefit number 5, which is access to the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. When you book through this portal, you'll get VIP/elite-like benefits at top hotels around the world. And some of those benefits include a room upgrade upon arrival when available, daily breakfast for 2 people, guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout, noon check-in when available, complimentary Wi-Fi, and an experience credit to be used on things like spa treatments, food and beverage, etc. Usually that's worth around $100. Access to this program is only available to AU Platinum cards. Alright, so you're probably aware that the Amex Platinum Card has a ton of different credits to use throughout the year to help you earn back the cost of your annual fee. However, when it comes to authorized users, they also get access to some great benefits in these credits, but not necessarily on their own. Rather, they can kind of feed off of the primary account's credits. So let's talk about what this all means and how it looks for your authorized users. We'll now tackle benefit number 6, which includes the annual statement credits. By that, I'm referring to the $200 airline fee credit, the $200 hotel credit, $179 clear credit, $100 Saks credit, $240 digital entertainment credit, $155 Walmart Plus credit, $300 Equinox credit, and a $300 SoulCycle at-home bike credit. Yeah, it's a lot. All of these credits can be used by both AU Platinum and AU Gold Card accounts. However, those authorized users do not get their own credits. Think of it like this. The actual primary account holder owns all the credits, and those same credits are shared with all AU cards added to it, rather than getting their own separate credits, which does not occur. So if one of the AU cards makes an air incidental purchase and charges it to their card, that will count against the overall shared $200 airline fee credit. The maximum value of those credits is what can be shared amongst one entire account, regardless of how many users there are. But that just covers the credits that you can use throughout the course of an individual year. Now let's talk about the other one, which does not occur every year. Benefit number 7 is the TSA PreCheck/global entry credit. This one is up to $100 per user and is available every 5 years. Do note, however, that if you choose global entry, that will include TSA PreCheck, so that tends to be the better value if you're willing to sign up for it. And best of all, each user gets their own credit. So if you have 5 authorized users, that's up to $500 worth of credits every 5 years. And that can be a mix of both gold and platinum AU cards, all platinum or all gold. Benefit number 8 is a little bit unique here. It's the Uber Cash benefit. It's up to $200 per year and issued as $15 per month plus $35 in December. This is like digital cash that's auto added to your Uber account, and it's valid on rides, food delivery, including pickup orders, and grocery delivery in select cities. However, this benefit is only available to the primary card holder and not any authorized users. The 9th benefit is all about rental car privileges. So this is Avis Preferred Plus, Hertz Gold Plus, and National Emerald Club Executive status. The benefits will vary from one program to another, but overall it's a great way to get some car upgrades, some discounts, waive secondary driver fees, skip the line, and a whole lot more. And some of these require the use of coupon codes to activate. Other ones like National's Emerald Club there is an actual elite status that you enroll into. So we'll likely cover this in a separate video. However, just know that it is available to your AUs, but only to those that are on the authorized user platinum cards. Benefit number 10. This is the Shop Runner benefit, which gives free 2-day shipping and returns at dozens of participating retailers, and it's available to both AU Gold and AU Platinum cards. An easy way to find participating retailers is by going to shoprunner.com and browsing their partnerships there, but also when you're checking out online, you can see my screenshot there from underarmour.com. There's a little Shop Runner section underneath the red checkout button that says free 2-day shipping and free returns. Learn more and you can sign in right there to activate your benefits once they're enrolled. And our final benefit, number 11 here, is Amex offers. These are like digital coupons that can be added to your card, and then you'll get something like bonus points, discounts, statement credits, whatever the offer happens to be when you make a transaction at that actual merchant. These offers are available to both AU Gold and AU Platinum card holders. All right, so that covers the 11 major benefits that authorized users can use once they're added to your account. But if you've been wondering how do you add an AU to your account, follow these steps. Simply log into your Amex account online and then go to the Account Services tab there at the top, which is listed as number 1 on the screen. Once you're there, you'll then select Manage Other Users, which is number 2 there boxed in red, and then that will expand further options, and you'll see number 3 to add someone to your account, as well as some other links to manage their spending limits, add or remove other managers, and other things like that. Once you choose to add someone to your account, you'll then see this screen here, and right away you can select which type of card they'll get. So it's either an Amex Gold Card AU or an Amex Platinum Card AU. Then the last step in the process will be to provide some personal information about the authorized user. So that's their full name, email address, which is optional, their social security number, which is also optional at the time you add the card account, but it must be added within 60 days of the actual AU card being issued. Also their date of birth, their home address, and anything else that they may prompt you for on the form. Okay, so I know that was a lot of information to take in, especially with all the different exceptions and exclusions between Amex Platinum versus Amex Gold, and what works, what's the cost, and all that. So here is a final visual for you all with all of that side by side. On the left-hand side, you'll see the different benefits that authorized users are eligible for. And then to the right of that, we have the AU Platinum and AU Gold cards. So you'll see a green check mark if that card type is eligible, or a red X if that card account is ineligible. And then at the very bottom, I put the pricing once again, that we can weigh the cost versus the benefits received to see which one will be the better path for you to take. Of course, feel free to pause this screen as long as you'd like to. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.